how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Online. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first step is to access the sales section, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the sales or invoicing section. This is where you can enter and manage your sales transaction. Next, you will create a sales receipt on your invoice depending on your business and the nature of your sales. Sales receipts are typically used for immediate payment and transaction, while invoices are used when payment will be received later. To create a sales receipt, click on the option to create a new sales receipt, enter the customer's name, the products or services sold, and the payment method such as cash, credit card, or check. Specify the quantity, rate, and any applicable discounts or taxes sales. The sale receipt once all the details are entered. To create an invoice, click on the option to create a new invoice, enter the customer's name or products or services sold, payment terms like due date and payment method. Specify the quantity, rate, and any applicable discount or taxes. After entering the transaction, review all the information to ensure accuracy, double-check customer details, items sold prices, and many additional charges or discounts. Make any necessary adjustment or correction when you are satisfied. Click Save or Save and close to the saved transaction. Repeat these steps for each day's sales. Create a new sales receipt or invoice for each separate transaction you want to record. Finally, reconcile your sales with payment deposits to keep accurate financial records. Match the deposits in your bank account with the corresponding sales receipt or invoices in QuickBooks Online. This helps ensure all transactions are properly accounted. That's all.